This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. This video will show you how to easily get your Keurig 2.0 display working again if it's kind of dim or it's blank or has weird lines on it. This is a really easy fix. It should only take you a couple of minutes. It only needs a few tools. So here we go. So we need to take out two Phillips head screws, one there and one there. Because we want to take this plate off, this plate here. So we're going to lift up on this plate now to get it out of there. And once we get it up, kind of wiggle it out. There we go. Okay. And then we have to push up on some plastic tabs here with our standard head screwdriver. And that's so we can separate this top piece from right here. And inevitably you're going to break off some of these tabs, but it's okay. Just try to break as few as you can. We're going to try to get in there and separate these two halves. And I'm just going to pry back on that a little bit gently so I can get that one off. There we go. Pry back on that one a little bit. There we go. Now that we have this separated, we want to push down on this little white connector to make sure it's really seated well. And we want to push in the top on this connector. Make sure it's seated in there really well. And then we'll try it and see if that's going to be better. Usually when those connectors get a little loose, you get that bad display. I'm going to push these shut, put those tabs back down. When you put those two Phillips head screws back in, that's going to hold that shut. We're going to just see if the display's any better now. We got the little power button back. Press that, yeah, it comes right back on. So that little white connector had gotten loose, and now it's going to work again. We just got to put the pieces back on. Back to normal. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you to get your Keurig coffee maker working again, and really appreciate the time to be at our channel. Please subscribe when you get a chance, and we'll send you more videos on how to repair things in your home. Thanks again.